In today's fast-paced automotive world, agility is key. A global auto parts manufacturer turned to Sasken for an intelligent, Azure-based IoT platform customized to power continuous delivery. Sasken helped the customer enhance time to market by 30% through a scalable and rapidly deployable solution, enabling faster release cycles, regular daily dev, QA build and deployment, and on-demand production releases. With Sasken's expertise, the customer achieved build infrastructure and deployment automation, CI and CD pipeline automation using GitLab CI, single-click deployment of infrastructure, services, and APIs on Azure. From concept to continuous delivery, Sasken's Azure-based IoT platform transformed the customer's operations, driving faster innovation and smarter manufacturing.